I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm a music teacher. When I have a kid who misbehaves, I tell them the classroom teacher, but I feel out of the loop because I won't even see that child again until the following week. And when I do see them, should I address the issue or assume it's been handled? I love my specialists. And by the way, you are a specialist, but a very, very big part of the needs of our kids. Your classrooms are super, super important. And kids being accountable to you is just as important. Here's the one technique that I've recommended the most that has really worked for folks. You have a line of kids leaving the music room and a line of kids coming in the music room. You are often providing that respite for the teacher. It's their planning period, whatnot. So sometimes kids actually hear that and they tend to not treat you with the same type of, I'm going to use the word respect, if you will, than they would their classroom teacher. Like they don't think it's real serious. So we've got to make sure kids don't get that message. That's number one. Number two, when a child does misbehave, don't give it to somebody else. Don't come up to that teacher and say, hey, Polly did X, Y, and Z and hope that they're going to deal with it. I didn't see it, so what am I going to do with Polly? Nothing. Sue and I may talk to them or whatever, but it's still not going to make an impact. The best thing you can do here is have a culture in your school that when you have a moment, your planning period, whatever it might be, you can go knock on the door. If you really feel you need to have a connection with that kid, you knock on that door and you say to that teacher, hey, I need to see Polly for a minute. And that teacher should automatically go, absolutely. And now you take that kid aside and you talk to them about that behavior. That kid hears two things. They hear, you're accountable to me, and teacher's on the same page. And so therefore, it doesn't get dismissed. So give that a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.